How to see deleted search history on Instagram on iPhone. Hey guys, so let's just go ahead and open up the Instagram app right here. And let's click on this magnifying glass at the bottom part of your screen to get to the Explore page. Now from here, let's click on the search bar at the top. And for example, I'm going to search for a certain account. So I'm going to type in a certain name, Jenna. And I'm going to click on Jenna Ortega's account right here. And I'm going to go back, and that should be at our search history, as you can see. Now, for example, I'm going to delete this certain search history by clicking on this X icon right in line with that account that I have just searched. Now that it is deleted, let's see if we can see that deleted search history. So I'm going to type in the letter J. And as you can see, there is that account that we visited before. Now, this usually works with accounts. So, for example, I'm going to search for another keyword like cooking, for example. I'm going to click on search. And as you can see, there are all these posts right here. And that is the keyword that I have searched, and it will also show up at our search history. So, for example, I'm going to delete this search history once again by clicking on this X icon. And if I'm going to type in the letter C, as you can see, it is not really recommended on our search recommendations by Instagram. So this trick might not work all the time, especially for keywords. And so it only usually works for profiles you have searched before, because Instagram kind of gets the data and recommends you the profiles you have searched before. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.